Okay, so we've got the bumper in paint. We put the blue base coat on and the lacquer top coat, and we've got a nice shine on it now. It's a bit orange peely, but that will polish out. But I'm not going to polish it for at least a week, because this lacquer that goes on it is not a 2K, it's just a regular aerosol one. That's one of them I used. I found this one though sputtered a little bit, and it left little clumps on it. So I had a different one that came with the blue. That seemed to be a better quality one, or one I got previously. Let's have a look. Yeah, it was that one. That was a better one. The spray pattern was better and it didn't sputter as much. So I'm just going to let that dry for a good while, a good 48 hours at least. Because I did do it yesterday and then I came just to move it earlier on and it still left a fingerprint on it, so it hadn't set even overnight. So I've got to leave that a goodly while. Meanwhile, I've prepared the inside of this wheel, ready for some primer. So that's where we're at.